Hi, it's Teacher Moni. So we're going to do a sensory activity / science activity called Magic Snow.
In this activity, we will work on science, cause and effect, math, counting and measuring, sensory exposure, fine motor skills, scooping, pouring, and kneading. One empty container, cold baking soda, and cold water. Step 1, pour in 1 cup of cold baking soda. Make sure that the baking soda is in the freezer for at least 8 hours. Step 2, pour in 1/4 cup of cold water. This water could be in the fridge or from the faucet, just has to be cold. Step 3, start mixing. Start using your fine motor skills and kneading. If the baby does not like it, you can use a spoon to start mixing, and then once you start getting a different consistency, you can start creating little snowballs, shapes, counting, and have fun with the texture of snow.